Welcome back. In our last two videos, we learned how you make money through capital gains and dividends. But a big question remains. How does a private local business actually become a stock you can buy? Let's look at our pizza shop again. The owners have a massive dream. They want to open 2,000 locations all over the world. But building all those kitchens costs millions, more than the original owners have in their pockets. To solve this, they decide to share the ownership. This way, it is not just the initial owners carrying the load. New investors can join in and put their money into the pot to help fund this massive expansion. But how do they reach these new investors? They list the company on the stock market and perform an IPO, or initial public offering. This allows anybody, including you, to invest in the company easily through the stock market. Now that the company is public, millions of people can trade its shares. But why does that price tag change every single day? Join me in the next video to find out exactly what moves stock prices.